Hey everybody, this is Bobby with Reaper Manufacturing. We got some vehicle maintenance to do today on our 2009 Super Duty. It's getting an oil change, so I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride. Now you don't need too many tools for this. I've got a 36 mil and a 19 mil socket. This is the oil and filter that I like to use, the 1540 diesel Motorcraft oil, and then the Wix 57312XP filter. And the reason why I like that is because it comes with the plastic cap on top of it, brand new. All right, now that we got the oil drain, let's go over and take the oil filter out. Oil filter on these ones is the left-hand side. So we're going to take our 36 mil socket and undo it, take the filter out. That's all I've got. If you want links to any of the filters or oil that I used, I'll put them in the description. The only thing I'm going to do after this is drain that used oil into these bottles that I used up. So thanks for watching. I appreciate a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.